Kasi nakita ko yung when they swore na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Para ako ng insulto eh. Na we're willing to now to na ilabas na yung ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi talagang pinapalabas nila sa media. Si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon, lalabas na namin. Willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
From my evidence,
if Attorney Conales, Laika ba?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mapayag na si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all, Sen. Hanggang dun sa text lang. Kasi
yes, sa
I
text.
just want to prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Nagsisinungaling sila. So I think they should, di ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular Number 48 Series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it won't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please. I just want to manifest, Your Honor, that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no May I proceed, Your Honor, please, Mr. Chair. It was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive session.
Let's just listen first to the
Your Honor, please.
revelation of the statements of Mr. Mulak.
We submit to that, Mr. Chair. Your
Have you, did the COMSEC administer the oath?
Not yet.
Mr. Mulak? You administered the oath?
Okay, Comsec, paki-administer ang oath ni Mr.
Yes,
Nico.
will you please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to this committee?
Yes po.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
All right, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung unang nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan? Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Sir Jojo.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. Kung Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro ng, hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng ganun.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Wala.
Wala. Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige, okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni, nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa rin sa, yes, soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir, looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha, 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi yung sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while, kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 23 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
Or
in
37.
the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha, 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the,
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. So, di ba?
but they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Eh, bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Opo.
Ayan, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
at sinabi naman ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
We just want to
they
manifest that,
mentioned
Your
it.
Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
Submit to that, Your
the-
Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since, Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by the
Yeah, what
FBI.
this is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
We submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further.
We want to because here we want to ferret out the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
No further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only.
But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of
according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Ano
during,
yan? Silence means yes?
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was their
open,
answer?
during the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course. Oh.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during
So
the
they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
laging, yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty. We maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair. And si Nino pa. You know Nino. Diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin.